Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rounded rectangle. Then on this fill color, pick up the stroke color and increase this stroke value. Hold shift and rotate this rectangle. Select this rectangle, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Again, hold Alt plus Shift, copy another rectangle and decrease this size. Now group those and align horizontal and vertically center. Select these small portions, hold Shift and adjust the bottom. Now select this, hold Alt plus Shift, copy, and the bottom and top should be kept equal. Select Alt and go to Object, Expand. Go to Pathfinder, click Unit. Group it. Select these portions, change the color. Also select this portion and change this color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.